Cloud with rain. What happened? New York City. Intense rainfall flooded multiple subway stations, inundating platforms and disrupting lines including 1, 2, 3, M, and R. In Central Park, 2.07 inches fell between 7 to 8 p.m., ranking as the city's second wettest hour on record after Hurricane Ida in 2021. Major roads, such as the Cross Bronx Expressway, Sawmill River Parkway, and FDR Drive, were temporarily closed due to flooding and debris. New Jersey. 2 deaths occurred in Plainfield when a car was swept into Cedar Brook by flash flooding. Governor Phil Murphy declared a state of emergency, urging residents to stay indoors and avoid travel. Towns including Scotch Plains, North Plainfield, and Clark Township saw 4 to 6 inches of rainfall, prompting water rescues, evacuations, and at least one house collapse or explosion without injuries. Over 1,200 flights canceled or delayed at airports such as Newark, JFK, and LaGuardia. Pennsylvania, Mount Joy and region. More than 7 inches of rain fell in under 5 hours in Mount Joy, flooding homes with up to 5 feet of water. At least 16 water rescues were carried out, though fortunately no injuries. A flash flood warning was issued for parts of Pennsylvania. Hourglass not done timeline and conditions. The flash flooding occurred overnight on July 14 to 15, 2025, as slow-moving, moisture-laden storms overwhelmed the tri-state area. Over 24 hours, nearly 100 flash flood warnings were issued across the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast regions. By Tuesday morning, rainfall eased and floodwaters began to recede in many areas, though cleanup efforts continued. Police car light impacts at a glance. Area key effects. NYC subway stations flooded. Train lines suspended/delayed. Roads shut down. New Jersey 2 confirmed deaths. Multiple rescues. State emergency. Major property damage. Pennsylvania homes flooded. Mass rescues. Spokes emergency responses in Mount Joy. Travel over 1,200 flight cancellations at major airports. Transit services disrupted. Magnifying glass tilted left broader context. This event comes shortly after Tropical Storm Chantal, whose remnants added to humidity and instability in the region. Meteorologists note that unusually warm Atlantic waters and moisture surges contributed to the intensity of the storms. Key takeaways. Rainfall totals reached 4 to 7 inches in just a few hours, triggering widespread flash flooding from July 14th to the early hours of July 15th. The heavy storms led to loss of life, infrastructure disruptions, and widespread emergency declarations. Recovery efforts are underway as waters recede, but disruptions to transportation and property damage remain